K2 Intex Excursion. Aren't you glad you have your rubber swimming shoes on?
Yeah. Can we take a break now?
Yes. Good job. You have some good blood pressure for when we get in the water. Into your nose, out to your mouth. Country road.
Okay, let's go.
They gotta know I'm here. The geese, man.
Oh, they know. They can smell us.
I always sing to the geese.
There's a phone on recording.
What?
I said there's a phone recording. Hello? Is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, Merrick!
I didn't hear you. You're speaking in the front. I can't hear.
When
It
we're
is
in the
recording.
water, you're supposed to record.
Because it's our first excursion. The K2 Intex Kyak.
Yeah. In the videos, they never show people doing this. They always show them sitting there all nice and pretty. Okay, let me break. Okay.
You're right in front of the camera, right? You know that.
You're kidding me, right? Isn't it supposed to be? It's supposed to be at you.
No, it's like, it's out front, babe. I'm pointing forward with the camera.
All right.
Okay, wait.
Here we go.
Here we go.
How long's that? The long jaunt is Mom and Dad's kayak.
I lift it up higher. Okay, gotta go through the shoes. Ow. Stab, man.
Oh.
It takes almost 10 minutes to walk here, so it's at least 15 with the boat. Okay, wait.
Ready?
Good.
Press the stump.
That's it. Good. Good. Just those stumps, those sharp stumps.
Yeah.
Go around that way. Yeah. We'll bring it right by the river. Get it over. See all those stumps that are there with the chip on those, when the like in the ground with seeds?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You have to go sideways a bit. Good. There we go. I'm losing air on this one. I didn't put enough. What?
You don't have the pump?
No, I didn't put the pump. Anyways, we're going now. Going right down there. Get your life jacket on. Come on, life jacket. This is yours. Going right away. Here, babe. Is that one yours or this one?
This one's mine.
No, leave that there. Just grab the front. Let me, you could have went down the other way, babe. No, right, yeah. Go there.
This way?
Yep. Okay, we gotta turn it around.
Yes.
Lift your corner. Go that way. Yeah, there's raccoons here.
But somebody was fishing here with clamshells.
No, it's raccoons. They eat them. Throw it in the water.
So
Okay, I gotta bring this part in the back, babe. You gotta come around with your part here.
Oh.
I'm going up there. Good. Come on, tree. Let go of it. Let go. Okay. Go have a seat and get your oar ready.
But you're in the back.
No, you're in the back. I'm going in the front.
Oh, okay.
Just step on the boat here. Then when you get in there, you're gonna sit your ass down and tug along, okay? Because it's not a solid bottom.
Yep.
And it's deep where we're launching. Oh yeah, babe.
Yeah, it's slippery.
Don't worry about dirtying it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
But when you get across my seat, you gotta sit your butt down.
Yeah, I will.
Just get as small as you can in the boat. There you go. Go all the way back. And you sit down. There you go. Perfect. Well, you gotta sit up.
I know.
Don't worry about it. You're fine. There you go. Get your oars. Put them on each side in front of your black thing for you. Now set them up. Look and see if they're going to hit the water properly. Okay, that one's not going to work. Give me that one. Give me it back to me. Gonna fix it for you. Oh, yeah. Okay, so when you come in, and it looks crooked, but when you come that way, it's going to go straight. Okay? You hold on to that. You don't worry about it. Put it right in front of you on those plastic things. In front of you. Hold on. And bring them to the plastic. Shauna, put it right in front and let it, yeah. Put your legs straight. You don't need to sit up like that. Like.
That's how my legs are.
Okay, here we go. You ready? Okay, now listen to me, okay? We're going straight to the shore, right here, okay? So paddle with me there. Paddle with me. Paddle, 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 paddle. Just water. Don't paddle against me. There we go. There you go. Stop paddling. Stop paddling for a second. Okay, paddle. Stop paddling. Stop paddling. Okay, just let me paddle, okay? Because in the back, the person in the back is supposed to control the boat. So don't touch nothing, okay? Get your paddles out of my way.